Assalamu alaikum viewers. In this tutorial I will tell you how you can download and install Kleinanzeigen app. So here you can see the pictures of this app. So in this tutorial I will tell you how you can download and install. So these are the features of this app, as you can see that. So you just have, first of all, you just have to open the Play Store like this is a Play Store in my mobile. You have to open the Play Store, then you have to go to the bottom on the right side of the Play Store, then you have to click on search apps and games, then you have to write that Kleinanzeigen. This is the name of app, Kleinanzeigen. You just have to click on this app icon. So the rating is 4.4, means very good rating, and 953,000 people's reviews. So this is a very good app. You just have to click on install and it will automatically will be download and installed. You just have to wait it. The size of this app is 45.25 MB. So the size of this app is normal. You just have to wait few seconds. After downloading, it will be automatically installed. Students use this app for the apartments or rooms in the category of immobilian. So different people use this app for the different purposes. So you can use it for as the selling and buying for the items. So each and every person has own purposes. So I am telling about the students that want to accommodations in Germany, so they can use it easily. So here you can see that it is just, you have to wait it has been download and installing. After installing, it has been successfully installed. So you just have to click on open. After clicking on open, its logo it will be displayed, and your IP will be detected if you are outside from the Germany. If you are outside from the Germany, this app will not be worked. So you must have to open the VPN and log in. Means you have to change your location as you are you are available in the Germany. So if you are outside from the German, so again and again it will display your IP address because you are not in the Germany. So this app will not be loaded. So here is the login options, but how you can register and how you can log in. First of all, you must have to change your IP address. So how you can change your IP address? It is very easy and free of cost. You can change your IP address, just you have to use the VPN. So here you can see that this app is not loading. So how you can use it? It is very simple method. Just you have to how you can use it, let's see, and I will tell you how you can use the VPN and which VPN is best for you, free of cost, so you can use it. So here you will see that the rapid VPN is free of cost. VPN, just you have to open it. How you can download and install this VPN, I have already told. So just you have to download and install by same method like this app. Just you have to open the Play Store and write the rapid VPN. After that you can connect this VPN in the German. So after that, this app will be displayed each and everything. Here you will see the selling things. So you can buy from here immobilian on the category. So you will also find the apartments, rooms, but here are a lot of different options also available. You can also buy different things from here. This is app basically used in the German. So if you like this video, please like the video, and you can also subscribe this channel for the more updates and more videos like this. So you must have to click on the bell icon. So when I will upload the videos, you will got the notifications in the notification bar. So here are a lot of different options are also available. So in the next tutorial I will tell you how you can use and how you can buy different things from this app. So on the search bar you can also type the things and you can find out according to yourself, but you must have to know about the Germans, otherwise this app is very difficult for you. If you do not know the German, then you can use it in the web browser. Thanks for watching.